Today in our session we will be discussing question number 20 and question number 19 and question number 20 of irrational equations and inequality. This is from chapter 3 and exercise 3 only. Let us start with the question number 19. The first condition that we keep to need in mind is expression under even root should be greater than or equal to 0. So x is always either 0 or positive. If we put 0, we can see minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than minus 3. Yes, right, that is true. So x equal to 0 is one of the solution. But before that, let us take the right hand expression to the left hand side. Therefore now, root x minus 3 minus 2, root x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Taking LCM, we get root x minus 3, root x minus 2 divided by root x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. This gives us x minus 5 root x plus 6 plus 4 divided by root x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. So this gives us, this is root x square only, root x square minus 5 root x plus 4 divided by root x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. So this is this can be factorized, root x minus 1, root x minus 4, root x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. So we can draw a number line and then subsequently wavy curve with 1, 2 and 4 as critical points. Right? To start with, it is less than or equal to 0, therefore root x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 closed union 2 open to 4 closed. Now this expression root x is either 0 or positive. 0 is not there, therefore x belongs to 0 to minus 1, it is always greater than or equal to 0. 0 is not a solution, we have seen, we have checked. So, union 2 to 4. Now, there is a small fundamental error here. This is 1, sorry. This is critical point is 1, 2 and 4. So 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2 and 4. So now we can see here that x belongs to 0 to 1, that is closed. And we had seen x was a solution. From here we had seen if x equal to 0, then minus 3 is less than minus 1, true. Therefore, final solution. Here also it will be this. Final solution, x belongs to 0 to 1 open, 1 closed, 2 open to 4, 16, 4 to 16, sorry. This will be 4 to 16, sorry for the mistake. This is the final answer. 0 to 1, union, open 4 to 16 closed. Now we will see the question number 20, what happens here. Answer to 20. First condition, 2x minus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, x is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Second thing is, x minus 2 should not be equal to 0. Therefore, x should not be equal to 2. These are the two preconditions of this question. Now we'll take one to the left hand side and take LCM. Now if x is greater than 2, it is a positive, denominator is a positive number. If x is greater than 2, then 2x minus 1 minus x plus 2 less than 0. That is root 2a minus 1 is less than x minus 2. So this is a positive quantity, this also need to be a positive quantity. So squaring both sides we get if x is greater than 2, we get this minus infinity to 1, 5 to infinity. This can get cancelled out because x is greater than 2 here. Now what will happen if x is less than 2? If less is there, this is negative, so we have sign change. Let us go there. There is no space there. If x is less than 2, this is negative quantity, there will be a sign change. So root 2x minus 1 is greater than x plus 2. Now, what we are doing here, we can see that this is positive, and if x is less than 2, this is also positive. If x is less than 2, then we can see that here x belongs to R. If x is greater than 0, it is always true, no problem. But there is a restriction on x. What is that restriction? X belongs to x. Restriction on x is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. So this is true over here, no problem. But under the condition 1 by 2 to 2, and there we can see if x is greater than 2, then x belongs to 5 to infinity. So like we can get final solution as x belongs to 1 by 2 to 2 open union 5 to infinity. 5 to infinity from this part, 1 by 2 from this part, 2 less than x less than 2 from this part. This is the final answer. So finally I conclude this session. We will move on to next section in the next class. Thank you.